I'm not young anymore, but I'll try. Yeah. Now I can let it go. Right, Joe?
Okay, yeah, good.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Alright guys, so this is how I do install like drywall sheet if I am by myself. Um, if it is just a small ceiling only, but if you're dealing with like a huge ceiling project, then no, you need to have the drywall lifter, right? But if it's just a couple sheet, probably this one here is just about probably 5-6 drywall sheets. So I just use one of these 2x4, right? So I'll attach it there and it slides it in. So the same thing what I did here earlier. So I'll do the full sheet first, and then I'll go with the small one. And now next one now I'm going to do is this one. So now this 2x4, I'm going to put it right up here, and then I'm just gonna slide it in. Alright, so you've got 2x4s. And drop it down like about 3/4 of inch lower. Then all that measurements that I have there, I gotta transfer it to your drywall sheet like that, so that everything is gonna be easier. All right. Alright. So that's how we do it.
Okay, mark date.
So I like to mark where the joist or the stud, so that way it makes everything easier. Right? You already know where the stud is or the joist is. Alright, so now we're doing the bulkhead on this side. So now I got the 2x4 ready. Right, make sure that one is in place, and make sure all this one is visible anyhow, so I don't have to mark where the framing is. Alright, so let's do this one. Alright, then now I'm gonna cut that one out. Alright guys, so that's how I do my drywall sheet. Only if it is a few sheets only. But if it's more than that, then you gotta use the proper tool. Alright, so alright guys, thanks again for watching, and we'll get back to you guys for more do it yourself, just like what we just did just now.